Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to view locations shared in messages in Google Maps on iPhone. So the shared with you feature can display locations sent through messages directly inside the Google Maps, and that makes it easier to access places that friends and family share with you. So you don't even need to manually go through that location in Google Maps. After enabling this option, you can directly access that location shared with you in Google Maps. And to enable this first, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down to bottom and click on Apps, and within this section, find Messages and click on it. Now on the messages settings page, scroll down and click on shared with you option, and here first make sure the toggle right to automatic sharing is enabled, and after enabling this option just turn on the toggle right to Google Maps, and that's it. Now supported locations shared through messages can appear inside Google Maps or the default map app. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.